Hey, I'm so excited. We are finally getting to the Ann Arbor Farmers Market today, which I've been to a few times. It's a wonderful farmers market. I can't wait to go get some produce and especially another purse. There's this woman there that makes these purses. They're all fabric. I've had two so far. I'm going for possibly another two. And my most important thing to look for is pickles. I need some sweet pickles.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. You're coming along too. And Ann Arbor is about 45 minutes or so southwest of Detroit and home of the University of Michigan.
But we won't hold that against them.
Yes, if you're not familiar, there's a thing in Michigan that you're either a U of M family or you're a Michigan State family. And Rich is a Michigan State family, which means I am as well. So
you're born into it.
Yeah, you're born into it. It's a rivalry. I don't know if I'd call it a hatred, but I've seen some stuff, so there you go. But we will not hold University of Michigan against Ann Arbor. It's an absolutely beautiful town. Many times referred to as the Boulder of the East, and I've got to agree, it's got a really cool Boulderish vibe. And if you've never been to Boulder, Colorado, that makes no sense to you. But if you have, you will completely understand.
For those of you that are U of M fans here, you can see right in front of us the big house. There it is for all of you that are U of M fans. Like I said, or like Victoria said, I am not. However, I have seen 3 or 4 football games at the big house, and I will say there's probably no better place to watch a football game seriously than the big house. It is a pretty cool experience to see a football game there. But as I turn here, our challenge, as it is every time we go to the big city,
the big city, the big city, the small city, any city,
is finding a place to park Stella. The farmers market is on the north end of town, which is the older end of town, also called Depot Town. So the streets are narrower and there's not a lot of parking. So this is going to be fun. Come along with us. Part one of the adventure is just finding a place to park.
Striking out, but eventually we will find something.
There's a spot right over there. See in front of that.
You could fit in there.
That's a big ass spot.
Oh, look out for this guy here.
That's a spot, but that doesn't look as big. Okay, this guy can't even get his CX-5 into this spot. Come on, I could fit the dually in there.
Wow, that's rough, man. That's rough.
Okay, that guy just pulled. Oh,
he's pulling it. Yeah.
I actually could fit in that spot.
Well, if you want to go around. Oh, we're at the brick roads. That means we're near.
Yeah, and I think I made a mistake when I said Depot Town. You can tell it's been a while since I've been away. It's Carytown that we're in. Not Depot Town is in Ypsilanti. So
Ypsilanti, Ann Arbor.
So
easy mistake.
We are in.
No parking. I'm here in Drum.
Is that a spot right there?
No.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Okay, he's maneuvering. He's got a plan.
The plan is to not hit any other cars.
It doesn't just say no poke. Oh, 3 a.m., 6 a.m. Sorry, it's not 3 a.m., 6 a.m.
It's like prepare for the worst.
Oh, look at that. Look how close we are, too. We are close to the farmer's market. Okay, nice job.
Here we go, guys. Welcome to the Ann Arbor's Farmers Market. We are going in. Pottery is my weakness.
found it. Come on. Okay, where is my, I think this is me over here, my style, but I have to find one that I like. So this is like the other one I had that I wore out that I really liked, but then it comes in this color. And then I like this one because it's black and it has some color. Oh my God, there's even a decision!
With every farmer's market, we try and find an ingredient that we haven't cooked with yet, and this time around, we are going to cook with purple Kohlrabi. There's so much to see here at the Ann Arbor Farmers Market. We love coming here every single time we visit the Detroit area. We make it a point to get to the Ann Arbor Farmers Market, and you need to do the same. Make sure you get here. So much to see, so much to do, and then spend some time walking around Ann Arbor because it's awesome. All right, so we're done with the farmers market. We got some great finds. Can't wait to cook our kohlrabi.
But we didn't get pickles. There was no pickle.
A block down the road from the farmers market is Zingerman's Deli and Bakery, which is right next door. No visit to Ann Arbor is complete without a stop at Zingerman's Deli. We're going to take you in and do some video and show you they have an amazing meat counter, they have an amazing cheese counter, and the bakery is crazy good. So let's go in and have a look.
Hello there.
Hi. I've got some sweet sherry as a vinegar spritzer if you need a little refreshing sip.
Oh, I'll take that. I'll take that.
It's a Pedro Jimenez sherry, so one of the sort of sweeter sherries to begin with, and then we just put that in a little bit of soda water, so it's a nice refreshing summer sipper.
Oh, that's all I can say is
Does a lot of the same things as
aged in brandy.
Look at the selection of cheeses. Cheese selection is absolutely amazing. Meat and prosciutto, fresh slice right off the look at that.
Hello, welcome. What can I do for you? Just wait on some cheese. Huh?
This has one of these. Zingerman's has the best bagels. Everything in salt. That's how I roll.
One of the things I love about Zingermans is their gourmet selection of foods, from mustards to spreads to masala to pickles. Wait, do they have sweet pickles? Oh, look at this. This is some of the best mustard you will ever have in your life.
And then there's the olive oils.
there. So I'll take it off. I've got a full pitcher, so there's plenty.
Aged balsamics. They've got them.
Okay.
Chocolate from around the world. Zingerman's got it.
They have jam, and more jam. What do we have here? Look at all these. Pumpkin maple, early glow strawberry, blueberry, sour cherry. Cherries are big here in Michigan, by the way. But the maple pumpkin caramel, apple onion jam. apple onion jam. And I've made my own onion jam, but holy cow.
Need a book on food? Zingermans has your books on food. Bacon. If you're in business for yourself, the Zingerman's Guide to Giving Great Service is a great little book for providing ultimate service to your customers. So once you check out the deli, you've got to go next door and check out what they have over there. Let's go inside and have a look. Full service coffee shop. And the pies. Look at that. And cakes.
Okay, we're here at Mediterrano in Arbor. I'm about to eat this amazing Greek salad with shrimp. And what do you have there?
Grilled Spanish octopus with a cannellini bean salad and a side of just olives in a bowl. I can't wait to dig into this. All right, we're here at the Michigan Balloon Challenge in Howell, Michigan. And as much as we've been complaining about, and I don't even know if it's complaining. As much as we've had challenges parking the big truck, for once we get some big truck respect. We have our very own parking line for trucks only. Look at that.
All the big trucks parked back here. Woohoo!
All the big trucks parked in a row. There we are. So finally some respect for the big truck parking. Right now there are no balloons rolling out, mostly because of that front line that's there. So there's a little bit of weather conditions right now kind of holding things up. It looks like we might be preparing for flight. Still can't get over how many people are here.
I see one of our Remax team. I think they're handing out cards.
Okay guys, so it looks like we're changing flags. It looks like we're changing from the red flag to the green flag.
And I'm going to assume that the green flag means go. It doesn't have some other strange meaning in balloon world.
The legal sunrise in the morning. We may not fly after the legal sunset.
Oh, there it goes.
There we go. We're green to
We
go.
are green. Sam, can you do me a favor?
So if you remember, we got some kohlrabi at the Ann Arbor Farmers Market with the intention of doing something with it. So this is what we're doing with it. I chopped it up, bite-sized pieces. Also added some of the amazing radishes that we got, and also some red onion, salt and pepper, olive oil. It's going in the oven for about 30 minutes. We're gonna roast them, and then when it comes out, I'm gonna put some thyme and some pecorino romano, which is a sheep-based cheese, which I can eat. And hopefully it's gonna be delicious because I've never had kohlrabi before, so I'll let you know. So here's the end result after roasting in the oven for 30 minutes at 425. I added some, like I said, some pecorino romano and some thyme in there, and now the only thing left to do is try it.
That's an inquisitive look you have on your face.
It's not bad. It's very earthy. I actually kind of like it. I don't dislike it at all. I think I might make it again.
Earthy is a really, really great description. It is.
Yeah.
It's very earthy. It's like an extra earthy cabbage.
Yeah, and I've heard it referred to or compared to artichoke and cabbage and potatoes. And yeah, could it be a potato? Yeah, I guess you could. So if you've never tried kohlrabi and you're curious, just roast it up. It's really pretty good.